Today I'm going to show you exactly what this plant is and why it's so deadly. This plant next to me is called Devil's Trumpet. It has a bunch of different names: Jimson weed, stinkwort, stinkweed, hell's bells, Locoweed. That's one of my favorites. And I'll explain to you exactly why it's called Locoweed in a little bit. But this plant itself is actually super deadly. And if you look, my hand, I have a glove on. This hand I'll touch the plant, the other hand I will not. The reason why every single part of this plant is deadly. It is part of the nightshade family. Nightshades are actually includes tomatoes, also things like tomatillos. But this one you cannot eat at all. The scientific name for this plant is Datura stramonium or Datura Metel. Now there's other plants very similar to this one, like the angel trumpet, and this one being a purple variety of the devil's trumpet is called a purple queen devil's trumpet, and it has double blooms on this one. You'll see one bloom and another bloom coming out of it like that. Now, we bought this plant not too long ago, and when we got it, we learned our lesson. We actually thought this was a moonflower because of how large the blooms were, and that's one of the common names for this plant. Now, we had no idea what we were getting ourselves into, but we did some research really quick and figured it out. But we found out this is really super toxic. Now, my wife was putting this into this pot, and when she did that, she was doing it without gloves on. But a few minutes later, she had a rash on her hands, and as vegan, I always wear gloves. If I'm anywhere near this thing, gloves are on my hand. I usually handle it with caution and care. You should do the same thing if you do get one of these. If you don't, there's a very high likelihood, potentially, if you're touching this thing, if you get anything on your hand, you could actually, if you ingest it, you can start hallucinating. I'm not talking about in a good way, like seeing your dreams come true. I'm talking about Albträume, or nightmares in German. Now, with that being said, I had a couple weeks ago, we had a situation on this one where we had an unfortunate incident where this branch got snapped off by an umbrella. I had to do some surgery on it. I got it back together. I pulled off all the flowers. You can see how well this thing is actually blooming again. Just 3 weeks ago, it had no flowers on it because it was destroyed. And you can see how well it's actually blooming back already right now. Now, so again, you want to be really careful anytime you touch this plant. Wear gloves, be cautious, and take care so you don't get yourself injured, hurt, or sick. If you would like to go ahead and get one of these plants, please make sure you plant it somewhere where nobody can get to it that could potentially harm themselves. Now, if you don't do anything else today, grow something safely if it's one of these. Have a good one.